In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board that you want to automate. This is important because automations are set up at the board level. So you'll want to make sure you're working in the exact board where the process happens. Before you begin, it also helps to have a clear idea of what repetitive task you want Monday.com to handle for you. That way, the setup will feel much more straightforward. Once you're inside the correct board, click on Automations. This is where Monday.com gives you access to tools that can turn manual work into automatic actions. If you're new to this, don't worry. The automation area is designed to be beginner friendly, and most of the setup is guided step by step. From there, choose whether you want to use a ready-made automation or create a custom one. Ready-made automations are great if you want something fast and simple, since they're built from common workflows that many teams already use. If your process is more specific, creating a custom automation gives you more flexibility and control over how things should work. Next, select the trigger that starts the automation. The trigger is the event that tells Monday.com when to act. For example, it could be when a status changes, when a new item is created, or when a date arrives. Choosing the right trigger is one of the most important parts of the setup because it determines exactly when the automation will run. If needed, add conditions to make the automation more precise. Conditions help you narrow things down so the automation only runs in the right situations. This can prevent unnecessary actions and make your workflow much more efficient. If your process only applies under certain circumstances, this is where you define those rules. After that, choose the action Monday.com should perform. This is what happens automatically after the trigger is activated and any conditions are met. Depending on your workflow, the action might update something, notify someone, move an item, or perform another task inside the board. Make sure the action matches the outcome you want so the automation supports your process correctly. Finally, save and test the automation. Saving makes it active, but testing is just as important because it lets you confirm everything works the way you expected. Run through a quick example and watch what happens on the board. If something doesn't behave correctly, you can go back and adjust the trigger, conditions, or action until it feels right. That's it. Once your automation is working properly, Monday.com can take over repetitive tasks and help your workflow run much more smoothly.